Hello guys, today welcome again to another video. Today we're gonna be a motel manager, guys. Because mean what is a motel manager? That we are gonna we're gonna people to get in our place, lol. And now guys, let's go get our props para para malaman nila that open ang hotel. Lagyan natin dito. Ay, motel. Ayun. Motel is open. Okay, now you put light para malaman nila that where you're interested to come. You can come anytime. Now we're gonna put it right in the middle. Yeah, then we're gonna put the pink. Look guys. Then okay. Now we're gonna put it in the front, guys. Kasi para maganda tingnan. Yan, lagyan natin din dito. 1 and 2 and put it there para malaman that open tayo for anything. Oh guys! You're for service guys, go. Wait guys. Let's go wear our uniform, wait. Let's go be here, baka mamaya makita tayo. Let's go wear our best uniform para makatatingnan, alam mo, di ba? Para makatatingnan. Wait, wait! This one. Yun, okay, para forma. Okay, wait. No, that is the worst uniform. Let's go change another uniform, guys. Para maganda tingnan, guys. Seryoso, hindi ako nagbibiro. Kailangan maganda tingnan yung uniform natin. What is the best uniform? Tell me, guys, what's the best uniform? Oh, this one. No, that's for girl. This one. Di ba parang para maganda di ba parang maganda tingnan? Kasi parang nasa, you guys go. Oh. Hello sir, welcome to motel 3 stars. I know, but we're gonna serve you better and happier. Oh, hi sir, welcome to motel. Do you want to get a room in this place, po sir? Okay, yes. How many days are you gonna stay, sir? Gonna sleep, sir? To know. Oh, 2 days, sir. Oh, it's okay. 2 days. It will total be like 100. Yes, yes, sir. 100 for that. Okay. Okay. It's only 100. Oh, okay, good. That guy is always ready for. Okay, guys. Okay, come on. I will show you to your room. Yeah, I will. Just. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go. Your room will be this area. Vacant 5. Yeah, you're right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. That's good. Okay. She's gonna close. Okay. There you go. Para may privacy with it. May control din ako. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, let's go park his car. Maybe. Wait. Maybe he left. Okay, not okay. Gonna go to park his car properly, guys. Because we are a best service here. We're not just like hooby doobies that never cares, you know that. Okay, let's go. Wait. food, another lot of money, baby. That is how money works. Lol. Okay, 100. Oh god, we earn like 100 for this day. No way. For this. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's go. I'm very happy guys because kahit kahit kunti lang tayo guys, maintain tayo, you know. Very support you so much. So guys, we have a customer here. Oh, oh, it's a police. Hello, sir. Are you gonna stay here? Stay here, sir. Okay, sir. How many days lang po? How many days? Okay, 1 day lang only, sir. Sige pa, it cost $20, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. $20 lang po, sir. So that's not your spot, sir. Sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Okay, he's there. And now, guys, let's go park his car, guys. Yan. Para hindi sa maging... Kasi guys, ang ibang tao, guys, ang kulit-kulit na talaga kasi, hindi magpa-parking ng kotse nila sa tamang parkingan. Kahit check din nyo kung maganda, guys, ha. Kung maganda. Okay. Okay. Oh, I hear the bell. Sir, yes? Did you call me, sir? Did you call me, sir? Yes, sir. Do you, did you call me, sir? Okay. Why, sir? Why, sir, any... Mal, please. Okay, wait. Oh, yes, I forgot. We are offering a good service rate. Okay, guys. Sir. Oh, I forgot. Lampasin ko na si sir. Ayawn. Sir, nandito na pa. Okay. Sir, you coming? Okay, guys. Sir is there now. Sir, what do you want? Where do you want to go, sir? Sir. Where do you want to? Where do you want to go, sir? Please tell me, sir. Where? Where are we going, sir? Cause to know where you are. Lol, where you are. Oh, oh, restaurant. Okay. Sir, drive-thru tayo lang siya, ha? Kasi sarado po sila. Okay. I'm the worst driver ever, guys. Lol, worst driver. Oh my! Okay. Comment down below if I'm the worst driver. Hello, ma'am, sir. Can I order one piece chicken, one co, one burger, please? That's all, sir. Nice window, sir. Thank you, bro. Okay. This is the payment. Please wait outside. Okay. We have the food now, guys. Sir, are you enjoying your food? Okay. Let's go. Do you want to go back, sir, to your hotel? Sorry, sir, kasi I'm new driver. You want to go back to the hotel, sir? Sir, tell me if you want to go back to the hotel that we can go back, okay? Oh, yes, okay. Let's go. Yan, di ba? Okay. Di ba, tingnan mo guys, ang dami natin motel na. Okay, sir. Sir. Sir, you can now go out, sir. You can go now. Thank you, sir. Got your room, sir. Thank you. Oh god, that guy's weird. Very weird, actually weird. But yeah, I thought this is going back to his room. Oh no. Oh wait, guys. Is this guys? I'm tired so much, guys. Uh, yes, sir. Check out na ba po kayo sa motel po? Check out. Kasi nakita po, one day po kayo dito. Check out. Okay, yes. Okay, I will log you out in the... Okay, sige, sir. That's all. Okay, bye, sir. Bye. Oh, guys. She teleport. I don't know where you go. Okay, guys, that's all for the video. We'll end here. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you're new, don't forget to like and share this with your friends. Take it, guys, and peace out. Subscribe. Parang batang nananabik, napapansin mo ba ang nararamdaman?